Hello everyone, welcome. Today is I think a Sunday. It's like 6 something p.m. I don't know what the degrees is outside today. I haven't been outside. Alright, so today I was gonna try to make a little educational video. So I went to school and they made me do like assignments and shit like in college and shit. I graduated with the 4.0 summa cum laude with my bachelor's degree. I didn't do anything with it. Okay, so look, they made me draw this this like thing, this graph. It's a diagram, that's what it is. It's a diagram of our solar system, and I made this with colored pencil, and I was very proud of it. So my astronomy teacher liked it a lot. Okay, now I'm gonna read to you all the labels of everything. Okay, this is the sun in the corner there. That's the sun. Sun. This yellow dwarf star has a radius of 432,168.8 miles. It formed about 5 billion years ago and is composed mostly of hydrogen and a smaller amount of helium. Okay, after that we have Mercury. This is Mercury right there, the little thing under the sun. Okay, this one says, I write this all so small because I couldn't fit it all on the paper. Mercury, the smallest planet, 1,516 mile radius, about 36 million miles from the sun. The terrestrial planet has almost no atmosphere, so it can reach up to 860 degrees Fahrenheit. There is a 1,202 degrees Fahrenheit difference between day and night. There is no volcanic or tectonic activity. One rotation is 59 Earth days, and it takes 88 days to go around the sun. I guess they wanted me to put all that information in there. All right. Then we have Venus. Venus is the one right there next to the tiny gray one. Okay. Very similar to Earth in size and structure. 3,760 mile radius and a thick atmosphere with mostly carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. The atmosphere creates a greenhouse effect, raising temperatures to 840 degrees Fahrenheit. 67 million miles away from the sun. It takes 243 days for one rotation and goes east to west. It takes 225 days to orbit the sun. Wow, isn't that fascinating? That's so cool. Now we have the Earth. This is the Earth right here. That's the one that we're on right now. All right, our home planet. It is in the Goldilocks zone, so it is just far away enough from the sun for water to exist in all three states, supporting life. Active plate tectonics also helps. I didn't notice there was periods, sorry. It has a radius of 3,959 miles and is 93 million miles away from the sun. One rotation takes 23.9 hours and one orbit is 365.25 days. It is the only planet with one moon. Isn't that crazy, man? All these planets, they don't even got just one moon? Nuts. Absolutely nuts. Okay. All right. Earth. Then we got Mars. I had to put 2 pieces of paper together and make this like this 2 pieces of paper. Mars. Okay. Let me tell you about Mars. Let me school you about Mars. This terrestrial planet's atmosphere is thinner than Earth's, but still enough to maintain ice caps. Strong winds cause its reddish color because of the iron oxide being blown around. The bedrock consists of basaltic lava. It has a radius of 2,106 miles and is 142 million miles. Sorry, my toes hurt so bad. Miles away from the sun. It has 2 moons, Phobos and I can't really read what I wrote, to be honest. I don't know what that says. One rotation is 24.6 hours and one orbit is 687 days. All right. I guess and then after that made the asteroid belt. As you can see here, those floating rocks, that's the asteroid belt. Okay, asteroid belt. In orbit between Mars and Jupiter. These are rocky fragments similar to meteorites. All right, and then after that, Neptune. Okay. This is another gas giant similar to your anus. Its atmosphere is made of hydrogen, helium, and methane, which causes its blue color. It was the first planet discovered using... I really can't read. Oh, mathematical equations. It has a radius of 15,299.4 miles and is 2.8 billion miles from the sun. It takes 16 hours to rotate and 165 years to orbit the sun. Can you imagine that? All right, guess what's next? Guess what we have next? Your anus. That's my favorite one. All right, let's learn about your anus. Your anus. This cold and windy ice giant is 15,759.2 miles in radius and 1.8 billion miles from the sun. It takes 17 hours for one rotation and 84 years for one orbit. Like Venus, it is the only other planet to rotate east to west. Its axis and rings are vertical rather than horizontal. It's made of liquids and ice like water, methane, and ammonia. And the atmosphere is made of hydrogen, helium, and methane. It has 27 known moons. 27. That's a lot of moons. You know? Yeah, so I didn't draw the rings on it, but that's okay. And then after your anus comes Saturn. Ooh. All right, get ready for this. You ain't ready for this. Oh, shoot, I forgot Jupiter, didn't I? I went the wrong way. I didn't go in the right order. That's okay. So we're just going backwards. Don't worry about it. Saturn, this gas giant, has over 50 named moons, its largest being Titan. Its rings are made up of chunks of ice, and their distance from the Saturn are their distance from the Saturn are almost the same to... I got 100% on this. I didn't even write the words correctly. They're almost same to the distance between Earth and the Sun. Ice chunks range from the size of pebbles to boulders. It has a radius of 36,183.7 miles. It's fucking huge. Okay, and then is 886 million miles from the sun. All right, Jupiter. All right, are you ready for this? You ain't ready. Okay. Jupiter, largest planet in our solar system with 67 officially named moons. 67 moons! Oh my god, okay. Its atmosphere is mostly hydrogen with some helium and trace amounts of methane, ammonia, and other gases. The atmosphere makes bands around the planet in a big red spot, which is a storm that's been raging for hundreds of years. It has rings consisting of small and dark particles. It is 43,440.7 miles in radius and 484 million miles away from the sun. That's pretty far, bro. I don't know, man. Yep, well, that's my diagram. It's finally over. Have a good day. Subscribe, comment, and like.